Bruce here, the 5-minute handyman. I am doing some demo work in the bathroom, taking the vanity out and the tiles that were around the vanity. And so let me show you some of the hardware and we'll talk about it. So here's the mess that I am making. The vanity was a built-in one, and this house was built in 1970, so it has lath that's attached to the studs, and then there's cement or plaster. I think it's more like a cement or I don't know. So that's put here, and then the tiles are added onto the top of that. Well, we're taking this whole wall out because we're going to rearrange how the bathroom looks, and the tub is going to be going across instead of going long ways like this, and the toilet's going to be moved over to here. So this whole wall has to come out. The rest of these tiles need to come out. I have some shark bite caps put onto my pipes here so that I don't have to worry about them leaking while I'm doing the renovation work. I've got a piece of paper towel stuffed into the drain line so I don't have any sewer gases coming up into the room. And I need to be careful about this particular pipe here. This looks like a, doesn't look like a water line. I think it's a conduit for electrical or something. But I just need to be aware of that and not cut through it when I am taking the rest of this wall out. So I've got some wiring in the back here. There's a plug that's on the other side into the kitchen that's on the other side of the wall. The vent line goes up through the roof. We've got an outlet here, some switches here, and so I need to take out this section and pull the lath off. So let me show you how we go about doing that. Get you set up. Alright, so it's getting a little dusty in here, so I'm going to use my mask because I don't want to start breathing in all the cement as it gets airborne. Okay. Yeah, the other thing is I have a long sleeve shirt on. When you hit the tiles with the hammer, there are shards that can come flying out. I got a little bit of a cut on my arm because I had short sleeves on. So we just need to be careful about those kind of things. So the method I'm going to use here is I'm going to see if I can peel this whole section back. But first I'm going to lift it up at the bottom, and then there's a stud right here, so maybe I can pry off and get this all off in one shot. This is a noisy, messy job. Good. Hopefully we can get this off in one shot. So we've got roofing nails holding the lath into the studs. So I'm going to just go ahead with my pry bar and try to get those out. carry this out here to the room. Alright, well that's working out nicely. So we'll go ahead and start on this side here. Get this taken out. Yeah, I'm liking this. Coming off nice and easy. Okay. Alright. So what we're going to do now is we'll get this corner off of here and just keep working our way around the tub. Okay. Alright, so you get the idea. Just go ahead and keep pulling this off and working our way around the corner. And I've got over in here a big tarp set up. And I'm putting my big pieces, the small stuff I put into the bags right away. Important thing about when you're staging your demo materials, you want to try to keep them together. You don't want to just throw them in a big mess pile. So I've got my straight stuff, I've got flat, I've got big flats over here, I've got odd shaped stuff here, and then this lath and stuff, I'll go ahead and smooth that out and stack those up as well. I've got the doors and the mirror from the mirror from the wall and the doors from the tub surround, and this way it'll make it just a little bit more efficient for me to be able to take these out, put them in the trailer, bring them to the dump. So that's where we're at right now, and we'll just keep taking things apart.